In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and optimize usage-based billing within your ElevenLabs account. This can be especially useful if you're on one of the Creator, Pro, Scale All, or Business plans and are keen to manage your expenses effectively. Let's get started by navigating through the process together, ensuring everything is set up correctly for smooth performance and peace of mind. The first step you'll want to take is to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you've entered your credentials and found yourself at the main dashboard, direct your attention to the subscription page. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your billing and plan status. Navigating here first gives you a solid overview of where you stand in terms of current usage and billing details. Once you're on the subscription page, look for the option that says Manage Subscription. Clicking this will open up a variety of settings specifically related to your billing preferences. Here is where you can begin to customize your account to better fit your specific usage needs. Next, an important feature to find and enable is usage-based billing. This is a pivotal option that allows you to tailor your account expenses to align with your actual usage, rather than sticking rigidly to predetermined limits. When you enable this feature, it's akin to opening up the flexibility of your account, letting the billing process adapt dynamically to your ongoing needs. With usage-based billing enabled, you now have the ability to set a maximum spending limit. You'll see a slider provided for this purpose. This slider is your tool for reining in potential expenditures, giving you direct control over how much you're willing to spend beyond your standard charge plan as usage scales. Setting this limit helps prevent unexpected costs and lets you stay within a budget that makes sense for your personal or business finances. After adjusting the slider to your liking, you'll want to confirm your settings to ensure everything is correctly applied. Sometimes this step may prompt a verification of your payment card details. It's a standard security measure designed to protect your account and confirm your payment method remains valid and ready to handle any additional charges. Once you've completed these steps, rest assured knowing that ElevenLabs will automatically utilize this setup for any extra usage. Typically, charges will reflect at the end of your billing cycle, creating a seamless and predictable billing experience. However, it's worth noting that if your charges exceed twice your monthly fee, there's the potential for immediate billing. This aspect underscores the importance of setting a spending limit that reflects both your usage patterns and financial considerations. And there you have it, a straightforward process to optimizing your ElevenLabs account with usage-based billing. By following these steps, you're equipped to handle your usage in a way that marries efficiency with fiscal responsibility, ensuring uninterrupted access without worrying about unexpected costs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.